Yeah, so
Big storm. A lot of rain. Been raining for 2 days now, which is good. Need the rain.
was beginning to think that this winter was going to be a total bust. And it turned out to be not too bad.
Not too shabby. Come on, man, move it. Was worried for a while
That we would be facing another
terrible drought this summer, but it doesn't look that way now. Although it seems that our weather pattern has shifted. So no longer in January and February do we get most of our rain. Now we're getting most of our rain in February and March, possibly into April. Who knows? But we will see.